HWM dying by the look of it.
Searching for a gear, maybe.
It's not a happy car.
No, it's not.
Steve Boltby Brooks is probably madly adrenalised after his spin across the infield at Woodcote.
Fired him up. HWM run by George Abacassis and John Heath. Tragically, John Heath killed in Emilia Emilia.
In that car.
John Heath, he was one of the drivers that when the flag dropped for the start, his red mist descended and he just was fairly crazy. Certainly uninhibited driver. There's the little Maserati parked on the left at St Mary's.
Looks fine through here, Gregor Fisken.
Yep, seems to have sorted it out.
Maybe whatever he's done, he's found himself a little bit of space and he's now going to have one last push. But he's run out of time, it's his last lap.
Yes, when he came past the pits, Marcus, he was looking down in the cockpit and seeking a gear, I think.
John Pearson's second now, so it's D-types 1, 2, HWM 3, D-type, Aston Martin and C-type behind.
That's pretty much a logical state of affairs, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very much Goodwood 9 hours selection. So this will be Gregor's last lap. The checkered flag is out, and he can't match Steve Brooks' time of 1:32.2. So
Brooks has just done his best speed through the first speed trap, 122 miles an hour.
The Union